Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, December 2. Jamaica is poised for even greater economic stability and growth, immediate benefits of a new country partnership strategy to be signed with the Inter-American Development Bank IDB within the next few weeks. The strategy will mainly focus on high-impact reforms and investments that will maintain macroeconomic stability and promote economic growth. The launch of the strategy coincides with the official visit of IDB President Luis Alberto Moreno from December 18 to 19. Mr. Moreno will meet with the Prime Minister, the Finance Minister, other senior government officials, the opposition leader, and representatives of Jamaica's civil society and corporate sector. His visit coincides with the 45th anniversary of Jamaica's partnership with the IDB. The entity, which is Jamaica's leading multilateral development partner, will mark that significant milestone partly through a groundbreaking ceremony for the new IDB offices in Kingston. The IDB has committed $510 million to the extended fund facility between the Jamaican government and the International Monetary Fund. Jamaica's Housing Quality Index has increased to 72%, indicating that the quality of Jamaica's housing stock has improved. The revelation was made in the 2012 Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions conducted by the Planning Institute of Jamaica (PIOJ) and the Statistical Institute of Jamaica. The survey shows that 69.1% of the population live in houses made of concrete and 93.1% use electricity as their main source of lighting. PIOJ's Director General Colin Bullock says this information is useful for a number of reasons.
The findings act as a response mechanism and allows for an evaluation of policy. Based on the information gathered and analyzed, policy becomes more accurately informed and better able to address living conditions among Jamaicans.
2 additional focus areas were added to the 2012 survey: early childhood development and the elderly. A total of 8 focus areas were covered in this, the 23rd publication of the Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions. Over 20,500 people were surveyed in over 6,500 households. 15 automated immigration kiosks have been installed at the island's 2 international airports to speed up the processing time of passengers and improve border security. 10 have been installed at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay and the other 5 at the Norman Manley in Kingston. National Security Minister Peter Bunting says the system, which reduces the physical interaction between immigration and passengers, will not compromise border security.
And allows PICA to continue to detect persons of interest by cross-referencing incoming passengers against the nation's watch list and conducting appropriate security checks by way of a built-in matrix.
Minister Bunting added that this would complement current systems to detect individuals who traveled directly or indirectly from Ebola-affected countries. The automated immigration kiosks, which is part of a $200 million airport improvement project, was funded by the Tourism Enhancement Fund. The over $2 million which was spent to implement the system also includes maintenance and support for the next 5 years. A new 304-bed dormitory is to be constructed at the Tamarind Farm Adult Correctional Centre in St. Catherine to ease overcrowding there and elsewhere in the correctional system. Cabinet approved the 9-month construction project, which will cost $194.8 million.
The contract is for the construction of a 2-story, 14.4 thousand square feet dormitory-style block to house inmates. It will include 16 solitary confinement single cells and 16 dormitories, each with a capacity of 18.
Minister Faulkner, who was addressing the recent Jamaica House press briefing, added that rehabilitation works was also scheduled to begin at the Old Naval Hospital in Port Royal in East Kingston. The project, which costs $88.29 million, will last for 4 months and involves repairs to the roof, structure and bathroom facilities at the hospital.
Work on the facilities being undertaken as part of the development of museums at the Historic Royal Naval Hospital and Historic Walkway Project.
Over 500 potential witnesses have been identified for the Commission of Enquiry into the May 2010 events in West Kingston. Commission Chairman Sir David Simmons made the announcement on day 1 of the Commission of Enquiry Monday. He said a substantial number of witness statements had been taken or provided by the security forces, the Independent Commission of Investigations, and residents of West Kingston.
In our search for the truth and the facts, it is absolutely crucial that members of the public who are in possession of evidence relevant to our terms of reference testify before this commission.
Sir David, however, urged attorneys to protect the constitutional rights of persons now before the courts for matters relating to the May 2010 events in West Kingston so that those persons could receive a fair trial. The Commission of Inquiry is being held from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Jamaica Conference Centre in downtown Kingston. It's scheduled to last for 3 months. However, the chairman has indicated that due to the number of witnesses, the Commission may exceed the allotted time. Sir David also sought to assure that the Commission would be efficient and impartial. And finally, Dwayne Vaz has been elected as Member of Parliament for the Central Westmoreland constituency. Mr. Vaz, who represented the People's National Party in Monday's by-election, defeated Faye Reid Jacobs of the Jamaica Labour Party and independent candidate Ras Asta Black. A vacancy was created in the Central Westmoreland constituency following the death of Roger Clark. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.